Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the auto mop cleaning settings on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find Mop Cleaning Settings. Now you can see Auto Cleaning the Mop, and you can enable or disable it. Now, there's also the type of returning to clean the mop, which means it can be set to by area. So after cleaning a certain area, it will return to the station and clean the mop. You can also set it to by time. So after certain time of cleaning, it will return to the station, or by room, which means every room, after cleaning each room, it will return to the station to clean the mops. Now, I will set it to by area, and for by area or by time, you can change the frequency of returning to clean the mop to a different, it says the deep cleanup in process. Okay, I'm gonna set it here to custom and like change whatever here. Yeah, just to make sure it now works. Yeah, now I can change it. So in frequency of returning to clean the mop, I can change to 20 square meters, 10 square meters, 15 square meters, or 25. Probably it's in square feet if you're in the United States. And yeah, you can also change the water temperature for mop washing to room temperature, warm or hot. The hotter it is, the better the cleaning performance will be. And water output, you can do deep mop washing or daily mop washing. The deeper one will use more water in order to clean the mop. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.